There we go. Hey guys, shh, quiet. Okay. Just grab that leash and let him walk, step out of it. There you go, just like that. Yeah, I know. Okay, so you're getting up to your first surface transition, and you know, you can see it's so easy for him, so he's got really high speed, but he's going to be forced to slow down here in a second. You see how he's picking up that odor on the gravel? Yeah. It's not as great as, let's say, for example, a total hard surface track, but it's a good transition from grass before you get on total hard surface. Okay, wait. There you go. Make sure he commits before you start walking. Another great surface transition area. Edges and barriers. Not quite as hard as, ooh, you see that big head wave you just got? Okay, that's the beginning of a proximity alert. But it went away very quickly. You feel the wind in your face?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Wait, stop. Wait. Okay, wait. Right here. Okay, so we got bits and pieces of odor right there. Track line, bits and pieces of odor. It tells you our person walked across this way. Okay, look at that head just come up. You see that behavior? You just got another proximity alert. Really big one. Nice and slow. Take your time. Don't go too fast. Look at that tail wagging. Okay, so wait, slow down, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Now what I want you to do is just stop right here for a second and face him out and just watch him for a minute. Hold up. Bring him back to you. Bring him back to you. Good boy. Bring him back to you. And tell him, go boy. Go boy. Bring him back to you. 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 Nice and easy. Tell him, go boy. Bring him back to you. Nice and easy. Good. Okay. Now hold him back. Bring him back to you. Now what I want you to do is fix your leash. Fix your leash. Okay. Easy. Easy, buddy. Trail air. Show us your hands. Come on out. Trail air. Come on out. Good. Oh, that a boy. Not what you expected at all, is it? Very good, boy. Good, buddy. Bring on down the tuna. Very good, boy.